hopefully he learned a lesson that there's something better out there that, and maybe we have another Bitcoiner that's born. I saw this story. I was like, why just buy gold?
Not that hard to test an ounce of gold, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, because an ounce is not that big. It's not that big a unit. So what you would do is basically get what's called like an acid board. And we used to do this all the time at the pawn shop. So I'll give you the quick rundown. Let's say you get like a board, okay? There's like a little blackboard, and what you do is you rub the gold on the board, okay, until you leave a nice big line. Then you do another big line next to it, another big line next to it. You might do 4 of them, okay? Most of the time you do 4 if you don't know what carat the gold is. And in the kit, you get 4 or 5 acids. One is for 10 karat gold, one is for 14, one is for 18, one is for 24. And what you'll find is that as you move through the acid grades, the gold will stop disappearing when the acid touches it. The acid will no longer erode the gold that's been left on the board. That's how you know what carat the gold is. So presumably what this guy did was leave a bunch of scratches, use the 10 karat, and the 10 karat acid just kept erasing it over and over and over again. So interesting. I will note that I didn't see the story, but I think I've said this on the show before. The definition of gold actually varies jurisdiction to jurisdiction. A lot of people don't know this. For you and me, Len, we're Italian. Most of the gold I own was gifted over the years is 18 karat. Like my chain is, I think my chain is, maybe it's 14 actually, but my ring is 10.
This says 99.99% pure gold.
So that's 24 karat. It should be 24 karat that he bought, right? Some places offer 8 karat gold, which is not legally gold in the United States, Canada, and a few other places. But in Ireland, for example, it used to be legal to sell 8 karat gold. That's a lot more nickel and other metals than it is actual gold. So it's a hard gold, as the saying goes. Your gold is more soft and malleable the closer you get to 24 karat, and the closer you get to 0, which is, by the way, just a percentage. So 24 to 24 is 99.99. That's the math, basically. And then as you go down, 22, 18, 10, etc., are all different percentages of 24, and that's where you get that 3-digit number. So anyway, a lot of places don't even allow 8 karat gold, but some do. And so some places are still producing 8 karat gold, which if you brought to a shop here in Canada or in the United States, you'd be, told this is nickel, basically is what they would tell you. And they may buy it, they may not, but the smelting cost, the scrap cost is more than the worth of the gold, basically, is the story there. So anyway, little gold info for you. I agree. I would not be buying ounces of gold unless it was from a bank.